Hi, Appletters. I am here with your Thursday installment of How's Everybody Doing? Okay, couple of reminders and things you guys might not be aware of yet. Mr. Martinez sent an email, I believe it was either late last night or this morning. They're kind of all running together. But he did send an email concerning grading. Several of you have had questions about how you're going to be graded on this work. So the school board got together and they decided on these three different domains essentially. This is very rough. I was taking notes during our faculty meeting. Okay, sorry. It's either going to be incomplete. I think that speaks for itself. I'm not going to insult your intelligence with defining that for you. In progress, same thing. Like you turn 80% of your work in to me, or you give me just an outline, not the full essay, or you do some of the work but not all of it. Then that's what that would apply to. So that would be in progress. And then, of course, complete, again, I don't think that I really need to define what that means. Now, as far as numerical or letter grades being attached to these three different categories, incomplete, in progress, and complete, I don't have those answers for you right now. I don't know what that is going to look like. Essentially, what we're doing, especially for your seniors, we're trying to prove that learning is still happening, even though it's at your pace and at your convenience, because we are in the situation that we are currently in. We do need to show that you all are still working. I've had tremendous success so far. I've Zoomed with a bunch of you guys, emailed, talked to you all through Remind. I've had one-on-one Zooms when the group ones don't work. Some of you have requested and asked if I could Zoom at a certain time. Again, like I said, I'm trying to make myself as available to you all as possible, but I am still having meetings like the faculty meeting we just had. We still have department meetings via Zoom. I have a meeting with Mr. Davidson because he and I are the applet credit teachers. And then I also have meetings with my E4 team and then with all the senior English teachers as well. So I do have things like that. And then I also have some meetings that I'll be going to get some more information from our specialists at central office, our literacy specialists concerning things like College Board updates, AP exam updates, things like that. So, but if I can work around that, then I certainly will do my best to try. So that's all the information I have on the grading system as of now. I know that you all know from the email yesterday that they have extended our closure through the 24th. I'm hoping that we get to go back the 27th so I can see your faces and we can smile and be happy and laugh again in our colorful room and with my tree, guys. Remember crazy Miss Cox with her? I haven't seen that tree in a long time. It's not okay. Of course, you all are more important than the tree, but you know how I get about my tree. Um, our tree. I didn't. I think I said I gifted it to you all as well. So our tree. I miss our tree. Anyway, I digress. Um, with the book club stuff, Mr. Davidson and I got together yesterday during our meeting and we came up with Socratic questions that will be posted starting the 6th of April. And there's more information and instructions that will go along with that assignment when it is posted. It should be posted at 8 a.m. on April 6th, so we can discuss that more at that time. Just know that you've been assigned your book, you know who your group members are, so we expect that you all are reading. Mr. Davidson is doing the same thing I am doing, with the exception of he chose the books for his kiddos and put kids in groups, and then he's making adjustments as he deems fit. So that may have been a smarter route to go because I failed you all miserably when I was trying to do the sign up through Google the other day. That is all my fault. I failed you. I am terribly sorry, but I think it all worked out as best as it could. Again, I wanted to reiterate that you can order those books through Amazon, Half Price Books, Barnes and Noble, a bunch of different places online. You can get the audiobook from just about anywhere for free right now because of all the deals. Again, considering the circumstances that we're in. And then also, if you can't do that, you could research but make sure when you Google or type in your book, make sure that you type complete online text of, and then whatever the name of your book is, or unabridged version of. Don't accept anything that's abridged because it means it's leaving things out in your book or your play, and you don't want that, okay? That will hurt you. You need to read the whole thing. If none of that works for you and you guys have no access to any of those things, shoot me a text through Remind or email me and let me know, preferably between now and Monday morning when I'm back at school. Let me know what your book is, and I will pull one for you. And so hopefully you could send somebody to school on Monday between 9 and 11. And if that doesn't work, then just contact the front office and I'll have your name on your book and I'll let them know what's going on. And you can make arrangements for you or a parent to go up to the school to pick up that book. So I'll just check that book out to you all, okay? I know that was a lot. This is probably the longest video I've done, but I'm trying to cram everything in there that I can. So hopefully everybody will turn in their essay, the rough draft and the final essay in the one Google Doc, remember, tomorrow. I'd like to have them all by 4:30 if possible. If not, do the best you can. And then we will go from there with the grading process. Okay, so I think that's all. Happy Friday Eve. I miss you guys so much. And I hope that I get to see you all soon. But don't worry, funny memes are coming your way soon with the Socratic discussion. So I haven't forgotten about that. Okay, love you guys, miss you guys. Bye.